awesome. Yeah, I've stolen his channel. No. We're driving right now. Look at this boy, oh, he can drive. Nah, it's just a golf cart, you know. But it's a funny time, alright. I'll give it that. Here, I'll give you guys a special view. Well, foggy, misty, I don't know. Bit odd. But yeah, there's a lake there.
Yeah, that's a lake.
It looks like we're in the bloody skies. It's a cloud, Cody, it's a cloud. Like, the back of it is Cody. Here's me. Driving along. It's dangerous, but it's definitely. Is it a little cold? Hey, Cody, do you think it's cold out here?
It's like a little cold.
Yeah, and Cody knows I do really well with, like, cold stuff. Even I'm finding it a little cold. I think it has to do with it that it rained and stuff, and maybe that I'm wearing shorts. Woo! It's like a nice little waterfall thing. It looks like it's iced. Cody, look at the left side.
Yeah,
It looks.
actually.
Is it iced?
No, yeah.
The left side looks iced. It's not moving. Just mail people, driving people. Good time. I'm gonna pause and end it here, you know. See you at the construction site.
We had another construction site. Jonas, why are you always going ahead?
Dude, we forgot something.
What did we forget? What did we forget, Jonas?
Hopefully, the sponsor of today's video.
Rain energy drink.
Hopefully they'll sponsor us again.
Yeah, they sponsored us on the other channel, but we want them to sponsor us on our new channel.
They have this new one, or we're just blind and never saw it.
It's a Mango-matic.
So, you know,
Pop one open.
to do stuff like this, you really need a lot of energy. Don't you agree, Cody?
Yeah.
Like, we have limitless bounds of energy. It's too cold. Here, you open it. It's too cold, Cody. It's really cold. Idiot. I'm assuming now it's cold.
Bro, you know what, when a girl splashes on you?
No. A good luck drinking it. Look at what this dumbass just did. How the fuck is that? It's cold. Okay. Well, Cody, you can't drink yours, so.
Cold the fucking camera straight, God.
You can just, you can suck it out because you're gay. And I don't know exactly what we do with this.
Wait, you've never been to a construction site video?
No.
Huh.
Oh, look at that nice ass fireplace. Should we give him a grand tour?
Honestly, do something entertaining.
Go to the end? Go to the end, Cody.
Come here, Billy.
Oh.
You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it, Billy.
And then, Cody, so they know that we were here.
Yeah.
Oh, the knife didn't stay. Don't try this at home where you're trained professionals.
We are trained professionals.
You start here, you just go.
That is mean.
Dude, come look, it already has those scratch marks.
Oh, you're kidding. That is mean.
Dude, come look, it already has those scratch marks.
Oh, you're kidding.
Look at this. Find the cut mark. Hashtag ice bucket challenge.
I thought there was actually water in there.
It's so cold. Hey, Cody. This is a robbery. For our safety, we're going to blur out the numbers and the houses.
Really?
Okay, so Cody, let's start the grand cribs tour. You ready?
Alright, yeah, sure.
So here we got the nice 2-window bedroom, you know. All the girls are gonna be up in here with me. Then you got this little shit, which is the closet. Now that I'm looking at this, this might be a kid's room. Oh God. Here's the bathroom, and if you can't tell, this is where you take a shit. You gotta squat really low to take that shit. Don't know how you're gonna piss in it, but... Then here you have another fucking little closet ass bitch. Where you hide the little redhead kid that you don't care about. And then here you have the kid that you like more room because he gets to see the front. Or the kid you want to get shot. Because when the gang girls by and they shoot up the houses.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Here's the awesome double doors, which is actually really cool.
Yeah, if only you could open them.
Here's most likely,
Wait, you could open them.
another room or a kitchen. No, Cody, don't. There's like things out there. Cody, don't do that. Oh no, they open this way. Look at the hinges. And then here's probably going to be like the kitchen, and here's like the pantry, or another room where you can shove that redhead you don't care about.
Alright.
There's this banking stick that the mother uses, you know, with the nails. And you come around here, you got the main room with the fireplace. Keep following me. If you come in here, this will probably be like a coat room or something. Then you go around.
A coat room or a coke room?
Coat room, yeah, the future room. This is probably another bathroom, you know, the master bathroom, or just a big one. Or like the place where they're gonna put the boiler and shit. Here you have your nice collection of Coke and Sprite. That's the room. Okay, stop. No, don't break it.
Fine.
Do it outside.
Will!
Here you have the nice shattered glass room. And here's probably like the shower, the master bathroom. Yo, no way, there's paint back here or something.
Paint? Where the fuck you see paint?
That little tub, it's like blue paint.
Oh.
You just walk and crush blood filter. You can come here where you piss down the tube. Well, I mean, I don't know how you're gonna piss down there, but it's not my question.
It's not our problem.
If you just punch this wall around, you can slip through here, you know. Step on whatever the fuck these are.
These are the packets of flour in the boiler.
And then if you go around this way, you have, of course, the more living area. Watch out for the nail. Stick up in the ground because you're big.
This is another spanking technique. It's called abuse.
Then you step out here and you got a nice backyard with the thing where you stab the kid's head and body. And you
Yeah, see in the middle right there, you poke a hole through the circle, put their head in.
Alright then. Back here you got a nice back space with loads of broken bricks.
That's where you make a fire and throw them in.
And yeah. Oh, and the last thing, the garage is where we came in. I feel like this one's really short.
Yeah. We just gotta find their attic.
I don't think there's a way up there yet.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, so we make our way.